It's Mental Health Monday. Today we're going to talk about the mental health of first responders ahead of October 28th, National First Responders Day. In the last 5 years, more than 1,200 first responders in the U.S. have tragically taken their own lives. 20% of these first responders were from Florida. Now, I'm joined today by Brandon Hicks, First Responder Peer Support Program Manager with LSF Health Systems. Brandon, thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you. Glad to be here.
All right, so what does this day mean to you, being a former law enforcement officer?
So it's a great opportunity to shine a positive light on first responders. That includes police, fire rescue, communications, corrections. But it's also a good opportunity to look at some of the challenges that they face and how we can help with that.
Yeah, as an advocate for mental health in the first responder community, what has your personal experience been and how has it shaped the work that you do today?
Sure. Of course, I'm in this position because I was in that position. I was a law enforcement officer. I was struggling with mental health issues. I was suicidal myself. And when I finally decided to reach out for help, it was very difficult to get it. There were a lot of obstacles in place, and being in this position to remove as many obstacles as possible for first responders is really very important to me.
Yeah, I'm glad that you've sought the help and come so far, and the work that you're doing is absolutely fantastic. So can you tell us more about the First Responder Peer Support Program?
Sure. LSF funds our program at Here Tomorrow. We can help in three ways. The first is through peer support. We have people like myself who have been there and done that to walk through that kind of mental health journey with folks. The second way we can help is through support groups tailored to those persons. And finally, the last thing that we can do in many cases is fund therapy. So we can actually pay for therapy,
Wow.
removing financial barriers, travel barriers, and accessibility barriers.
Really? Okay, so expand upon that a little bit. Like talk to me about what it's like to help these folks, right? To see these folks turn their life around.
Oh, it's incredibly rewarding, and our team focuses on first responders. We help veterans as well. So we have taken people from a position where they call in crisis, completely distraught. We've gotten them into even residential treatment programs, out of that and back into our one-year program where we help them through that year, navigating things with their therapists and their support groups.
Wow, that's fantastic. All right, so how do folks reach out to learn more, to get help?
They can go to stayfitforduty.org. They can go to heretomorrow.org. They can go to either of those websites and find a number of resources that are pretty much barrier-free.
Very cool, Brandon. Thank you so very much for your time today. I really appreciate you coming on the show.
Appreciate
and
it.
guys, remember, if you want to watch this segment again, or if you'd like to learn some more information, you can always head to our website, firstcoastliving.net. Stick around. There's so much more after the break.